especially our older ladies, no pun intended. These are our gracious ladies. They just love to hula. And they were so fortunate they didn't have to walk all the way up. Their car came all the way up. And all these ladies come out of the car looking so fresh, ready to hula. The rest of us walking all the way up. Like, hey, these ladies, they don't know how to talk to the guys down there. They just hook up, like, you know, they're all good to go. But these are our gracious ladies, our lehu. They're all like feathers and so on. And they're like birds. They talk, and they talk, and they talk, and they talk. Sometimes they're angry birds. And so we call them the lehu class. And it is a fun song that often refers to fun. It's a song called Aguligu. Okay, I got it. Alright, I got it. Hula. Hold on to your mountains, please. Hey, alo e ka ohu ke ala kuta so fragrant. Halava ko make e manenea e ko kino alo e ka ohu ke ala kupa Halava ko make e manenea ko kino. How's your body? Maika, you know. Haya oe apa ka ini me ka anoi anoi no ka pua ka beauty a o mauna. That mountain is happy, so it says. All right, ladies, here we go. Mai kapuana, hey aloha no, how's your lily? Lily pahako iana, ai kau mau ole ia. Haina mai kapuana, hey aloha no ahulili. Lili pahako iana, ike kau mau ole ia. Our angry birds. All right, hula everybody. You look very happy at this point.